Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. In this video, we will understand about set. In set, there are four types of sets to be honest, like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. But we will understand union today. Tomorrow, we will talk about intersection. After that, difference, then symmetric difference. I want to make this mathematical course very much basics to advanced. That's why I will talk about each and every topic in a single video so that you can understand about this topic in a proper way, and we will use Python environment for this one. And this is the data that this is the data frame data set that we will be using, and I will give you this sorry and I will give you this code in my comment section, so you can just copy and paste it in your Python environment. That is, it can be like Colab, Google Colab, it is okay, Jupyter Notebook that we are using, VS Code, wherever you want to use, you can use it, no worries about it. Today we will learn about union, right? So, first thing first, okay, before moving to union, first thing first, let's see and talk about set. What is a set? First thing first, definition of set. A set is a collection of unique values. That's it. Let me write it here. What is set? Set is nothing but collection of unique values. ठीक है, definition of set. What is definition of set? Set is a collection of unique values. That's it. What is set? Set is a collection of unique values, right? In set, let me tell you one thing, there are four types. How many types are there? First is union. Second is what? I forgot about it. First is union. Second is intersection. Third is difference. Let me write it out. Second is intersection. Third is difference. And fourth is symmetric difference, right? Symmetric difference. Symmetric, sorry for the spelling mistake, but still symmetric difference. These are the four type of sets that we will be talking about. But anyways, this video is all about union, so let's talk about this first. ठीक है, so set is what? Collection of unique values. Now let us talk about the type of set and how set is written in YouTube. Not YouTube, sorry, in Python environment. If you check this, this one, it is written in list. ठीक है, in list format. But how will you like write set in mathematical terms? Let's understand that, then we will go with the Python terms. So it is like that. Set 1, suppose I write what number 1 2 3. ठीक है, this is one set and this is second set, 3 4 5. Let's talk about this. And here, as per the definition, like I've told you, all the sets have unique values in them, right? All the sets have what? All the sets have unique values in them. That's it. So that's the thing. Let's talk about it one by one, and we will also see the practical part in our Python environment. ठीक है, so let's talk about union. Okay, so what is union? Union means all the values from the sets. ठीक है. What is union means? Let me go for it. What does union means? Union means all the values from the sets. Doesn't matter how many set it have. It may have set 1, it may have set 2, it may have set 3, and so on. So it is like all the value from the set is what we called union. Okay, tell me one thing. Like, let's take the previous example. This is set 1 and this is set 2, right? So what we have, like 1, 2, 3, and what we have here, 3, 4, 5. So here there are what, two sets, right? Simple as it is. And when I do the union part, when I do union here, it will go for one single set. Okay, so what will be the output? 1, 2, 3. Let me answer it. Will this be the output? This is one answer. Let me give you the option. There are two answers. Okay, let me tell. I mean, you can write in the comment section by pausing the video what can be the right answer. Okay. ठीक. Now tell me what is the right answer from 1 and 2 by checking the definition. If I combine this two set and create one new set, what will be the output in this? You can pause the video here and write the answer, but let me continue with the video. This is the correct answer and this is the wrong answer. Why this is the wrong answer? Let me tell you one thing, and this is the correct answer, because as per the definition, set is what? Set is combination of all unique data. ठीक है, combination, or you can say set is, yeah, it is better to say this. Set is the combination of all unique data. Like I have told you, combination, collection, whatever you can say. ठीक है, collection of all unique data. But let me tell you one thing, is in the first thing, is it unique? Like 1 is unique, 2 is unique, but here 3 is duplicate, 4 and 5 is unique. Right now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the data here is unique. So set is what? Combination of all the unique data. ठीक है, this is what we called union, right? Right now let us talk about this thing in Python. ठीक है, so in Python, so okay, let me tell you one thing. In Python there are two ways. We will first talk about the industry level part, ठीक है, and then talk about the practical part. Practical and industry level, let me talk about it. ठीक है, here is the practical level. I will write A and set 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, B 3, 4, 5. ठीक, and if sorry, and if I tell you to give me the set, I mean union, let me write it here, union practical, sorry for the spelling mistake. ठीक है, if I write here union and I will tell you from both the set give me the union, what you will give? You will give like this, print A. ठीक है, what you got in the output? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for the interview part. If interviewer asks you like what is the way I can find the union if I have this many sets. Suppose here I am using two sets A and B. How can I find the union and what is the way I can find the union? ठीक है, just give an example. Do one thing, create two set 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 and write A or B. ठीक है, this is what, or A or B, it is this, it is called union. ठीक है, and all the sets that we will be learning in upcoming videos are directly supported in Python, so no need to worry about. ठीक है, right now this is the practical part, simple as it is. ठीक है, practical part you have received in the output. Suppose I tell you this is right now. Let's talk about the industry level, how in industry we use it. Industry level मतलब real data set kind of. ठीक है, this is the table you are having, and what is union? Union means creating a new set, and new set means there is no duplicates. If you check here, employee id 1 2 3 4 5, and department is hr it finance and this. ठीक है, simple, finance and hr. Suppose I tell you to remove the duplicate, what you will do in this? Any idea like what can you like how can you create this? If any idea you have, anybody have any idea in this? First thing first, when you get like this kind of data, always ask the interviewer. This is the tricky part, to be honest. Always ask the interviewer ki like ki there is only one set here, what is the way can I find out the duplicate? Because if you find the duplicate from department wise, you can say hr it and finance. But if you go with the employee id wise, can you find the duplicate? No, it is like all the data are unique. Just ask it here. ठीक है, that's the reason I have already not given you the different, I mean to say, I mean one more data frame. I have written it here and I will paste it right now. ठीक, actually there are two data frames 1 and data frame 2. So from here we will use the practical part. Let me create this as 1 and let me create this as 2. ठीक है, and execute it. Right now you see, oh sorry, I have copied the wrong one, sorry for that. I have actually written in the note, but still I have copied the wrong one. I'm really sorry about it. Sorry for, and I will give you all this. अब ठीक है, I will give you all this what we say codes and all in the comment section of this video. No worries about it. ठीक है, so here is df1. Let me just give a comment, I mean just give a space like this. ठीक, so that you can understand what it is all about. ठीक है, and here suppose there are two sets. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6, and if you see like this df1, let me write it here as well. Oops, print df2, and I have written df1 I think here. ठीक है, and when I print it here, these are the two things. And what is the definition of union? Combination of two sets to create a single set. To create a single set, and where set comes into picture, there are no duplicates. So how you will write it? Let me should we create a data frame here or should we directly write it? But anyways, let's create a data frame, it would be better. Union df. ठीक है, this is the data frame I have created, I mean variable kind of, and I will write print. After this, what should I tell? Print, I will first concat pd dot concat. ठीक है, concat means concatenation, simple as it is. ठीक है, pd dot concat, and what I will do, I will concat two data frames here. Let me see. Yeah, in concat, what is the requirement you have to give? We have to give the objectives here in box bracket. ठीक है, in box bracket you have to give the what we say requirements. ठीक, and what are the requirements here? df1 df2, simple as it is, df1 df2, and close it and print it. But it is not yet completed. Let me print it. What happened? Oops, let me print union df, and you tell me, is it correct or not? Is it the correct one right now? Obviously not, because your duplicates are there. Next, what you will do, you will just click drop duplicates. ठीक है, you will just click drop duplicates. Right now let us see अब क्या हो गया. Oh sorry, I think there is why I have kept print here. That's the only mistake. Okay. Right now you see 1 2 3 4 5 6. ठीक है. Here how do we get the output? Let us just do it like this and print it. Now see 1 2 3 4 5 6. What we have done? We have done the concatenation, but I have told you I need an unique set. Unique set means sorry, union set. Set means what? Combination or collection of unique data. Unique data means what? Duplicates should not be there. So drop duplicates, and here we got the output. So this is how we can we have seen the use of both union set in two ways. First is normal way, second is what, this thing I'm just forgetting. Second is what, industrial level way. Okay, so in this way we have seen the use of Python in mathematical terms, or use of math in Python terms. Okay, and before closing the video, let me tell you one thing. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask your doubts in my live stream. You can directly join my live stream. No need to pay anything. No need to take membership for the live stream. Live stream is free. Just join my live stream and ask me doubts. Asking doubt is also free. And how will you get the notification of live stream? Actually, we do live stream each and every day. You can just click on the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you can get notification for our live stream. And also, if you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and share this video to someone who is learning maths or brushing up their knowledge in maths for data domain, or those who want to switch to data domain and polishing their maths logic. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, and happy querying.